Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore some essential nature vocabulary words. Forest. A large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. River. A large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea, a lake, or another river. Mountain. A large natural elevation of the Earth's surface rising abruptly from the surrounding level. Valley. A low area of land between hills or mountains, typically with a river or stream flowing through it. Desert. A barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. Ocean. A very large expanse of sea, in particular, each of the main areas into which the sea is divided geographically. Lake. A large body of water surrounded by land. Island. A piece of land surrounded by water. Beach. A pebbly or sandy shore, especially by the sea between high and low water marks. Prairie. A large open area of grassland, especially in North America. Glacier. A slowly moving mass or river of ice formed by the accumulation and compaction of snow on mountains or near the poles. Volcano. A mountain or hill, typically conical, having a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, hot vapor, and gas are being or have been erupted from the Earth's crust. Waterfall. A cascade of water falling from a height, formed when a river or stream flows over a precipice or steep incline. Cave. A large underground chamber, typically of natural origin, in a hillside or cliff. Savanna. A grassy plain in tropical and subtropical regions, with few trees. Rainforest. A dense forest rich in biodiversity, found typically in tropical areas with consistently heavy rainfall. Tundra. A vast, flat, treeless Arctic region of Europe, Asia, and North America in which the subsoil is permanently frozen. Wetland. Land consisting of marshes or swamps, saturated land. Meadow. A field of grass and wildflowers. Cliff. A steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. Hill. A naturally raised area of land, not as high or craggy as a mountain. Geyser. A hot spring in which water intermittently boils, sending a tall column of water and steam into the air. Pond. A small body of still water formed naturally or by artificial means. Coral reef. A diverse underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Canyon. A deep gorge, typically one with a river flowing through it. Plateau. An area of relatively level high ground. Field. An open land area free of woods and buildings. Stream. A small, narrow river. Jungle. An area of land overgrown with dense forest and tangled vegetation, typically in the tropics. Grove. A small wood, orchard, or group of trees.